Okay guys, the next thing we want to talk about is the table repeater. This is one of the most important things that we have in the app builder, because it's just so useful and so versatile. It's absolutely one of my favorite features. So if you go to primitives and you choose table repeater, you can also search for it. Let's add a table repeater here. Okay, so now basically table repeater will always choose the first table. You know what, let's just change the table orders so we can always get the one that I want to work with. Let's say dishes. Okay, so now we can choose dishes here. Alright, you can see that it's mapping out all the dishes here, and you can see the details about them. But this is just the beginning. You have so many more features. You have the ability, for example, if you want to switch the location, this is not right, it's not location. Okay, let's just deal with it right now. Columns, you click on the table repeater and you see, table repeater is a little complicated, but it's worth learning how to use it. Very useful, okay? If you want to change any of the columns, you click on the table repeater and you click on columns, and then you can change it. So for example, this is not location, this is category. And this is not ID, this is name. I'm not sure why there was this problem, but I will look into that. Oh, because we had a different table before. Okay, so that's a bug. And this one is type and number. Okay, so now we have it all correct. Now you see it looks really boring. Let's try to change it. So instead of showing category as just like a text like this, we can switch it. So why don't we use something called a badge? Okay, I'm going to put badge here. Oh, here it is. Boom. You can see now it looks more interesting. Okay, another thing that I noticed in this table, that it's missing an image. Okay, so what I want is, again, I'm going to click on table repeater, columns, and I'm going to add the image. And here it is. It's showing up here. I can also reorder it. I can put it to be the first. Now it looks much more rich. Another one that I can maybe mess around with is the number. Also looks a little bit boring. I can change it to something else. Let's say, let's choose another badge, but maybe with like a different treatment for colors. So I chose this one. Now in the colors, I can choose something, because it's just a number. I can choose something very light, like this. It's kind of barely there. Alright, so here it is. Actually, I want to change this template. This is most appropriate for websites. I'm going to change to this one. That's much better. Maybe even this one. Okay, so now you can see how rich the table repeater can be. You can literally put any columns here, and you can make them look in any way that you want. Okay, you can put any primitive inside the columns. So let's look at the table here on the navigator. You have the table, and then you have a, let me see, table header, which is this part, and you see this button is this one, and then you have the columns. Okay, this is the columns. You can drag and drop anything into the columns. So for example, if I want to have the category under this one, so I will just go and I will add a text primitive right here under it. See, I need to see that blue line. Okay, so now this one is showing, but it's not showing me the right thing. So I'm going to choose category. Okay, so now I have the category under it. I think that just look at the alignment, name. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's showing like this in the middle. Definitely something to look for, to look at. But you got the point, I think. So you can put anything you want inside each column, not just one thing. You can even drag, I can even drag this one here. Let's remove this one. And I can put something else here. I can even put a video here. Doesn't matter. It's a repeater, you can do whatever you want. In a table repeater, you can put anything you want inside each column. Okay, you can stack things, you can put them next to each other, any way you want it. I'm going to mention lastly about all the repeaters, that they all have also this kind of setup, like hide and show, what do you want to hide and show, and then different filters. So for example, if I want to filter by type, I will go and choose new filter type, and now you can see I have type here, and I can just filter like that. Okay, you can add as many filters as you want. You also have filters that are like number filter, and then it's different. It's going to have min and max kind of setup. Alright, I think it's enough for this video. This is about the table repeater. Next video we're going to talk about more repeaters.